Are you overwhelmed by endless business tasks? Studies show small business owners spend over 20 hours a week on repetitive work. Today, you'll learn how to reclaim that time by automating your entire business using AI-powered tools. Step 1. Automate your email workflow. Use tools like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign combined with AI-based personalization to send timely, relevant messages without lifting a finger. Set triggers for welcome emails, follow-ups, and promotions so your audience always feels engaged. Step 2. Streamline your CRM with AI. Platforms like HubSpot and Salesforce use machine learning to score leads, predict customer behavior, and recommend next steps. This way, your sales team can focus on hottest prospects and close deals faster. Next, harness AI for lead generation. Tools like LinkedIn Sales Navigator combined with AI chatbots on your website can qualify leads 24/7. This continuous pipeline ensures you're never short of potential customers to nurture. Scheduling meetings and appointments is often a headache. AI-powered schedulers like Calendly or Acuity automate this by syncing calendars and sending reminders. They remove the back-and-forth emails and reduce no-shows significantly. For invoicing and payments, automation tools like QuickBooks or FreshBooks generate invoices, send payment reminders, and track expenses with minimal input. Pair this with AI for fraud detection and you'll keep your finances secure and efficient. Customer service is another area ripe for AI automation. Implement AI chatbots like Drift or Intercom to handle common questions instantly. This improves response times and frees up your team for complex support cases. Finally, automate your social media presence. Platforms like Buffer or Hootsuite use AI to schedule posts at peak engagement times and analyze performance. Content creation tools like Jasper AI also help generate captions and ideas in seconds. By combining these AI tools, you create a fully automated system that runs your business operations smoothly, reduces errors, and improves customer experience. Start small, pick one area to automate this week and expand gradually. Remember, automation is not about replacing humans but empowering them to focus on growth and creativity. As your business scales, these AI systems will handle the repetitive tasks, giving you freedom to innovate. If you found these steps useful, subscribe for weekly tips on AI and business automation. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tools and techniques to elevate your small business.